Alright guys, let's do something a little more technical here. This is what I hit. Didn't see it there. It's a good beginning of our little more technical trail. Alright guys, so let's hit a little single track here. Second gear. Even for this slow single track, the suspension feels so good, and I like it. I wanted to say I love it. I think I love it too. This thing gets a little more gnarly every year, but it's fun. We're gonna take it uphill too. But now we have sun in our back, so the video looks good. If I go to where the sun doesn't look very good. Sliding a rear brake, this thing likes to flow. I adjusted my rear brake so it engages a little bit earlier. I don't like when it's too deep. Killed it there with the rear brake. Didn't clutch it enough. These branches are a little bit overgrown. There's not a lot of trail maintenance here. Wow. Haven't been here longer time. This is the only trail around my house that is for dirt bikes only. Everything else we have here is for ATVs and probably side by side, some of them. This one is a single track, full size single track. You cannot make it on the ATV probably. So staying in a second gear and just lugging it. The power is right there, nice and crisp. You can go slow, just give it little bit throttle. It locks in second gear really nice. So enjoy the nature, ride a single track, something like this. It's really nice. This bike is so easy to ride. It's really smooth, has good power, great suspension, no vibration, amazing brakes, electric start that works really good all the time, cold, hot. This is the KTM 300 you have. Seriously. Old school carburetor, you have your backup Kickstarter, air suspension, and 17 is the first year without vibration, which didn't really bother me. But it's probably better not to have them at all, right? And then I guess, yeah, if I go for a 6 hours or 8 hours ride, then I would definitely feel the vibrations at the end of the day. This bike feels really good. Second gear, little technical uphill. fun.